there are many kinds of fire accidents may happen, and also for each type of fire accident there are each variety of first aid, otherwise fire extinguish we will use. In the last classes we studied about that, isn't it? There are number of fire accidents may happen through the things which can catch easily fire. Through that fire accidents may happen, and oil spreads, otherwise through the hot oil, through that fire accidents may happen, and the short circuit, through that also fire accidents may happen. And also we studied that for each kind of fire accidents we have to use a special or specific type of fire extinguisher, isn't it? So if the fire accident is a small one which is easily controlled by us ourselves, then we will use all the kinds of these kinds of fire extinguishers like water, sand, thick cloths, means blanket or sacks, jute sacks, okay. Otherwise fire extinguisher. Fire extinguishers. So like that we can use fire extinguisher means what? The cylinder type can. I already the last class I showed you that which is open, the gas will come out and it form a white foam, isn't it? So we can choose any one of this. For this, not choose any one of this, it is we have to choose the specific extinguishers, fire extinguishers for specific type of fire accidents. If the fire accident is a bigger one, sometimes the gas cylinder may blast. So on those times we can't control ourselves. So on that time we have to call the what? Firefighters. So firefighting is nothing but to fight against the fire accidents and try to put out the fire. If it is not the control in our control, we have to call the firefighters. Those are the force who get the proper way what? Training to put off the fire. You may see in a special vehicle they will come with a making the alarm, otherwise banging the bell and ringing the bell. They will have a long tubes and more water will filled in the vehicle, and also the all other kinds of fire extinguishers also they will have, and they know how to fight with the fire, and they will give the they will protect, otherwise they will save the property of the people and also the lives of the people. So we don't take any chances. If it is a small fire accidents, we may use this kind of fire extinguishers, otherwise we have to get the help of the firefighters. Students, do you have any pet animals in your house? Yes. I know most of us having pet animal in our houses, isn't it? I also have a dog in my house as a pet animal. Like that, most of you have dogs. Some of you have cat, and some of you have birds as a pet animal in your house, isn't it? How the human being affected sometimes by germs and get diseases, like the same, the animals also affected by the germs, means virus or bacteria, and they will also get some diseases. Like one disease is called rabies. This disease mostly affect the animal dog. Dog is the most friendly with human being, and it is the most intelligent animal also. But if the rabies affect the dogs, they have a tendency to bite all. Not only dog, the rabies may affect monkeys, rats. So like some animals affected by this disease, rabies. If they are affected by this disease, they have the tendency to bite anyone nearby them. It may be human being or other animals. So if they bite others, through their saliva, the germs will go into the affected person's body, and the persons also later affected by the same disease, rabies, if he didn't medicated in a proper way. If he didn't get any medicines, take any medicines, he also affected by the disease rabies. So, do you know what kind of first aid should give if any animal bite? In the situation of animal bite, there is no ointment or other thing, lotion to spread on the affected area. There is nothing. We have to wash the affected area and remove the saliva of that animal by clean water. Next step, immediately we have to take the affected person to the doctor, and we have to explain all these things. Then the doctor will give the anti-rabies injection. It is must. If we are afraid, fear of the injection, we will affected by the rabies, and we also act like those animals which are affected by rabies. So don't hesitate. You have to wash the affected area and immediately rush to the hospital and take the anti-rabies injection.